Hello everybody and welcome to another unboxing for the Your Creative Studio subscription service. Today I have maybe February or March's box. I don't know which one it is anymore, but let's jump right in. All right, so it looks like there is a pretty floral theme. We've got some birds and some more birds and some pretty florals. So let's jump in and see what some of these exclusive designs are. Okay, so the first item is a really pretty label stamp. And I like the design of this because you really could use it in any orientation depending on your particular layout, so I love that. I think that's really pretty. We have another stamp, and this is a collection of different florals, which are all really pretty. I'll bring these a little bit closer. I'm going to stamp the images so you guys can see them up close because it's really hard to see with that clear thing over top of it. The next item is the tape for the month. Ooh, I already love this, and I don't even have it open. Look, and it's a vertical tape. I hope you guys can, see those designs, and you can actually see those florals pretty good. I want to get some of the exclusives here. This is the exclusive sticker for this month. I love this. I think this is really pretty. I think it's meant to look like a postage stamp, but super cute either way. All right, here is, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Here is another exclusive. And these are rub-ons, and rub-ons have recently come back. Well, not recently, but in the past couple of years, they've really made a comeback. A lot of people fell out of love with them for a while just because if you don't use them within a few months, they dry up. Some of the brands dry up a lot faster than others. Like I have some Tim Holtz rub-ons that are from like a decade ago, and I still can use them. And some of them I just can't. So I really love this. I'm going to put these to work almost immediately. I just love these colors. I love the florals. I love, you can barely see it, but there is this like box line design to sort of give some definition to that particular little label looking thing. And then we have this one. Look how pretty that is, with again another line detail to just sort of establish the detail and bring your eye to it. And they did include a little rubber tool or a rubbing tool, which I love. Okay, so there are two more exclusive items, the paper and the tissue, but I'm going to leave that for last. Let's see, we've gotten something like this in the past, and I absolutely always love them because it comes with a little dried flower. I'm trying to be ultra delicate because that dried flower is a dried flower, so. All right, so we've got some calendars, two different styles, and two different papers. Here is the dried floral, so pretty. And then we do have some like washi stickers. So this one says Wednesday, which is convenient because my husband and I just started watching Wednesday a couple days ago. And I don't know why I wasn't into it in the beginning when it first came out. I think I just had a different idea in my mind of how it was going to be, and it's actually really interesting. I thought it was going to be, it is a little bit like teen drama, kind of like Riverdale. If you like Riverdale, you'll like this. But oh my gosh. Oh, I love that design. That little sticker is so cute. All right, let's speed it up here a little bit. Skylar, we have a girl and a bunny, September 12th, happy day. We have two different kinds of labels here. Really pretty. Again, two different style labels, two different papers. Same for this one. This one's like a thinner printer paper, and this one's like a textured, thicker paper. And then we have a list and another calendar sort of memo thing. Super cute, love that. I always love these little ephemera bits. All right, next we have a full sticker book. And this thing is chunk. Oh, maybe it's just paper. Okay, I thought it was a sticker book, but I guess it's just paper, which is still incredible because it's super chunky. And it looks like ledgers and receipts, which you guys already know I'm absolutely dying over, because I get this stuff in real life, like authentic vintage, but sometimes there's a lot of guilt associated with using something that's from like the 1800s. I mean, I'm giving it another life by reusing it, but there's still a little bit of a level of guilt. You know, am I ruining history in some way? And this is a great way of using that same style and aesthetic, but without any of the guilt. So tons of choices in here. Colors are incredible. Love, 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 love. Can't say that enough. We got another ephemera pack here. Oh, it's like a little pocket. All right, so we've got some stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've got, and these are not stickers, these are just paper, but different designs, again with the ledgers. Ugh, slay. And this cute little label with some branding on. Gold label Breer. Translations are always so funny. And then we've got some bigger, like 4x6 style. And there's lots of options in here. So we've got some pretty printed florals, some really old looking book pages. This is really pretty. Look at the font on that, come on. Look at the font on this one, goodness gracious. And then we have some home handmade paper. We've got this pretty pink color, this brown like stringy color, and then this sort of linen-y textured paper. Love that. So much paper. All right, we have 5 more items, including this one. This is interesting looking. I don't know really what it is. So we've got the backing card, and then this is made to look like all of them are stitched around, which is kind of interesting. And I like that all the edges have like a different design of distressing. Lots of mushrooms, florals, butterflies, postally things, and the look of texture, which is really pretty. All right, we have another ephemera pack. So in this one, we've got some clear flower stickers, which are beautiful. I love these. And then we've got some really small bits, which I'm really into. Oh, and this one is a sticker. Or maybe just, it's like a shiny texture. Maybe it's not a sticker. Same for this one. Little photo, tickets. This is the cutest little pack, and all the textures are so different. I really like that. We have a pack of clear stickers, and I like the size because these aren't like super big. Lots of purple And it goes well with the stickers that came in that other pack. So we've got some irises, and some of them are dried looking and some of them are fresh, like alive still. So that's a really good texture change. Like these are pressed and dried, but this is meant to be like it's still alive, pressed and dried, fresh in the ground. Look how pretty. I'm trying not to cover with my fingers too much so you guys can see. I love this one. So cute. So many. Okay, 2 more items. We have the tissue paper, and I'm not going to take it out because it's all the same. You can see it's just a very distressed thing. I'm not sure why this is there. It says masking tape. I don't know what happened there, but there that is. And I like using the tissue paper to give extra texture by crunching it all up and then gluing it down. All right, so here is the paper pack this month. And I haven't seen these bird details and these like collage looking details. So I'm happy to see those. So we have some sticker paper for these designs. Oh my gosh, look at that one. That one's so pretty. And then we have a thinner, like printer paper, texture paper. This one is, I don't know if you can see the texture there, but this is the textured paper. And then of course we have the vellum. All the designs are the same across the board, just 4 different paper styles, which is super fun. Oh no. And that is it, friends. So we have a lot of paper. I don't even think it's all in frame, but holy moly, there's the washi. And some thunder for your ASMR pleasure. But yeah, there's a lot going on here. I really love this kit. I'm gonna get to work with this immediately. I'm just gonna leave it on my desk and go get my journals and probably wait for this storm to pass, but then I'm gonna play with this because I really want to play with this. I love this sticker. It reminds me of the Crimson stamps. Oh, love. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you so much for hanging out. I will leave everything you need to find your creative studio down below so that you don't miss out on any future kits. Like I said, this one is from a few months back, but the design team members do get their kits after everybody else so that nothing gets ruined. And then we can showcase and show you guys how to use it. So until next time, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you later. Bye!